Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question from Circle Theorems which is referred from GCSE Edexcel paper 3, that is a calculator paper. Points B, D, E and F lie on a circle. ABC is a tangent to the circle at point B. Find the size of angle ABD. You must give a reason for each stage of your working. Now let me consider this figure over here for easy reference. And let us consider the cyclic quadrilateral BDEF. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices of this quadrilateral are on the circumference of the circle. And we know that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral will add to 180 degrees. So here angle B is opposite to angle E. We have written angle DBF plus angle DEF will add up to give us 180 degrees. That is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180. Now since we have the value of angle DEF, let us take it on the other side of equal to sign, giving us angle DBF equal to 180 minus angle DEF. So 180 minus 100 is going to give us the value of angle DBF as 80 degrees. Now once we have got this angle, let us consider the triangle DBF. And by using the angle sum property of the triangle, let us now find out the value of angle F from this triangle BDF. So here we have written, consider the triangle BDF. So applying the angle sum property of triangle, angle B plus angle D plus angle F will be equal to 180 degrees. The value of angle B is 80 plus value of angle D is 40 plus angle F will be equal to 180. Now 80 plus 40 gives us 120. And taking 120 on the other side of equal to sign, we get angle F as 180 minus 120 or angle BFD as 60 degrees. Now once we have got this, let us consider the tangent ABC and the chord connected to it, that is chord BD. Now we have the alternate segment theorem which states that the angle made between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle made by the same chord in the alternate segment. Now the chord BD divides the entire circle into two segments. One is the small segment, that is minor segment, where the angle is made between the tangent and the chord, and the other is a major segment where the same chord has made an angle at point F, that is 60 degrees. So by using this alternate segment theorem, we can say that angle ABD is equal to 60 degrees. So here we have written angle ABD is equal to angle BFD, that is by alternate segment theorem. So angle ABD will be equal to 60 degrees. So this is our answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.